ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
8 vertical columns. Mendeleev's arranged the elements 8 vertical columns known as groups. Known as groups. Mendeleev's arranged the elements 8 vertical columns are known as groups. Each group is divided into subgroups A and B. Each group divided into A and B subgroup. Each group divided into A and B subgroup. So Mendeleev's arranged the elements 8 vertical columns known as groups. Each group divided into A and B subgroups. A and B subgroups. A and B subgroups. So each column contained elements of similar chemical properties. Each column contained elements of each column contained elements of each column contained similar properties of elements. Similar properties of elements. Similar properties of elements. So Mendeleev's arranged the elements 8 vertical columns known as groups. Each group divided into A and B subgroups. Each columns means groups, contained similar properties of elements. Similar properties of elements. Similar properties of elements. So it is said that elements in a group have similar properties. Elements along period have different properties. So 8 vertical columns known as groups. Each column contained similar properties of elements. Similarly in periods have different properties of elements. Periods have different properties of elements. Different properties of elements. Different properties of elements. Different properties of elements. So in the group, elements consist of similar properties. So in the period, elements have different properties. Different properties. Different properties. Different properties. Next, so this is the classification of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. So 8 vertical columns are known as groups. Each group divided into AB subgroups. Each column contained similar properties of elements. So periods have different properties of elements. Have different properties of elements. Different properties of elements. So next coming to the silent features and achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table. Silent features. Salient features and achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table. Salient features. Salient features and achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. Salient features and achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Salient features and achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table. So first one, group and subgroups. So first salient feature is groups and subgroups. Groups and subgroups. Groups and subgroups. Groups and subgroups. So there are 8 vertical columns in Mendeleev's periodic table are called as groups. So we are already discussed. 8 vertical columns in the Mendeleev's periodic table are called groups. They are represented by Roman letters 1 to 8. 1 to 8. So there are 8 vertical columns. There are 8 vertical columns. Vertical columns. There are 8 vertical columns in Mendeleev's periodic table. In Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table are called as groups. Are called as groups. These are represented by row one to 8 Roman letters. So groups are generally represented by Roman letters 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Each group divided into 2 subgroups A and B. So each group divided into subgroups A and B. Each group divided into subgroup A and B. So each group is divided into subgroup A and B. So this is groups. So this is first salient feature of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table, groups and subgroups. So there are 8 vertical columns in Mendeleev's periodic table are called groups. These are represented by Roman letters 1 to 8. Each group is further divided into subgroups A and B. A and B. So next coming to the periods. So groups and subgroups completed. So second salient feature is periods. Second salient feature is periods. So the horizontal rows in Mendeleev's periodic table are called periods. Vertical columns called groups, horizontal rows are called periods. So there are 7 periods in Mendeleev's periodic table. This is represented by Arabic numericals 1 to 7. So groups are represented by Roman letters 1 to 8, but periods is represented by Arabic numericals 1 to 7. 1 to 7. So the horizontal rows in Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table are called periods. Horizontal rows in Mendeleev's periodic table are called periods. So there are 7 periods. There are 7 periods in Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. Periodic table. These are represented by Arabic numericals. Arabic numericals 1 to 7. 1 to 7. So groups are represented by Roman letters 1 to 8. Periods are represented by Arabic numericals 1 to 7. 1 to 7. So this is first and second salient features of Mendeleev's periodic table. So groups and subgroups. So second one is periods. So next, coming to the third salient features of Mendeleev's periodic table is predicting the properties of missing elements. So Mendeleev periodic table consists of 8 vertical columns are called groups. Each group is divided into subgroup A and B. The horizontal rows in Mendeleev's periodic table are called periods. There are 7 periods in Mendeleev's periodic table. These 7 periods are represented by Arabic numericals 1 to 7. Arabic numericals 1 to 7. So these two are the salient features of Mendeleev's periodic table. So next, coming to the third one. Third one is predicting the properties of missing elements. Predicting the properties of missing elements. So third salient feature of Mendeleev's periodic table is predicting the properties of missing elements. So third one is predicting the power of missing elements. Predicting the properties of missing elements. This is the third salient feature of Mendeleev's periodic table. So based on the arrangement of elements in the periodic table, predicted that some elements were missing and left blank spaces in Mendeleev's periodic table. So the name these elements given by Eka prefix. The name of these elements, the missing elements, or place is given in Mendeleev's periodic table, the prefix is used eka. Eka means, it is a Sanskrit word. Eka means one. Eka is the Sanskrit word. Sanskrit word which means, eka means one. Eka means one. So prefix is used to eka. Eka is the Sanskrit word which means one. Which means one. So predicting the properties of missing elements. Based on the arrangement of elements in the periodic table, Mendeleev's predict that some missing elements left blank spaces in Mendeleev's periodic table. The missing element prefix is used to eka. It is the Sanskrit word which means one. Which means one. The predicted properties of elements, namely, eka boron, eka aluminum, and eka silicon. Eka boron. So eka boron means, the given name is scandium. Symbol is Sc. Eka boron, its name is scandium, Sc. Eka aluminum is gallium. This is given by Ga, gallium. Eka silicon is given by germanium. Germanium symbol is Ge. Eka silicon is germanium. So before the discovery of these elements, Mendeleev left some spaces in the periodic table. The prefix used for that elements is eka. Eka is the Sanskrit word which means one. So eka boron, the name is scandium. Symbol is Sc. Eka aluminum is gallium, Ga. Eka silicon is, given name is germanium. Eka silicon, its symbol is Ge. So before the discovery of these elements, Mendeleev left some places in periodic table. The elements prefix used by eka. Eka is the Sanskrit word which means one. So the predicted properties of elements, namely eka boron is scandium, eka aluminum is gallium, and eka silicon is germanium, Ge. Eka silicon is germanium. So next, coming to the property of these elements. So property, predicted property by Mendeleev, observed property, atomic weight as well as density, and formula of oxide and formula of chloride.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my BE from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KBC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by ITMs and NITMs. So come here and join us.
So next property, predicted property by Mendeleev and observed property. So Eka aluminum is gallium, Eka boron is cadmium, and Eka silicon is germanium. So next serial number, property, next observed property, observed property or predicted property by Mendeleev, predicted property by Mendeleev, predicted property by Mendeleev, predicted property by Mendeleev. Next observed property, observed property, Eka silicon, Eka silicon, the given name is Eka silicon, the given name is germanium, Eka silicon is germanium. Next Eka aluminum, Eka aluminum, the given name is gallium, the given name is gallium. So first property is atomic weight, first property is atomic weight. Eka silicon atomic weight is 72. So Mendeleev is given predicted property is 72. Next Eka aluminum is 68. Atomic weight of Eka silicon is 72, Eka aluminum is 68. Next gallium, so gallium atomic weight is 69.72. So observed property is 69.72. Next 72.59, germanium is 72.59. So first atomic weight, predicted property by Mendeleev, Eka silicon is 72, Eka aluminum is 68, Eka silicon is germanium, so it's 72.59, it is observed property. Next Eka aluminum 68, gallium is 69.72, 69.72. Next property is, second property is density, second property is density. Eka silicon density is 5.5, Eka aluminum density is 5.9, Eka aluminum density is 5.9. So observed property of gallium is 5.94, Eka aluminum is gallium, so predicted property by Mendeleev is 5.9, but observed property is 5.94. Eka silicon density is 5.5, but its observed property is 5.47, 5.47. So this is the density of the elements. Next third one is formula of oxides, third one is formula of oxides, formula of oxide. So Eka silicon oxide formula is ESO2,